Hey everyone, Zach here from Windows Central and welcome back to another video. Now today we're taking a quick look at the new apps feature in the Your Phone app on Windows 10. Microsoft just announced this for Samsung devices right now. It may come to other devices in the future, but right now it's exclusive to Samsung phones. But there's a new apps feature in the Your Phone app which will allow you to see all of your installed apps on your phone and run them in app windows as if they were locally installed. So as you can see up here, welcome to apps. Find all your favorite mobile apps and use them right from your PC. We'll show you tips on getting the best experience. So this is sort of like a quick walkthrough. Add to favorites, you can add things to favorites. You can launch apps, any app you want from this UI here. You can also pin these apps to your start menu and taskbar like a real app. And you can also use your phone screen as well. So the phone screen feature has been there for a while, that's not new. But what is new is this UI here. So as you can see, these are all the apps I have installed on my phone here. So from here I can launch any app. Let's launch, say, the Galaxy Store, for example. That will pop up this window. And now I'm running the Galaxy Store app directly on my PC in an app window as if it were natively installed. So I can do the normal things here. I can scroll with my mouse wheel. I can click on things here. I can do whatever I'd normally do in this app. So that's pretty cool. So again, it's very similar to the phone screen feature that was part of Your Phone before. In fact, I'm not even limited to this app. Even though I'm in an app window here, I can still close this app and go back to my phone's home screen and whatnot. But the convenience of this feature is it allows you to sort of create shortcuts to specific apps on your phone directly on your PC. So for example, I can pin, say, the Windows Central Android app to my taskbar here, and you'll see it shows up in the taskbar now. The icon is still a little bit rough, that this sort of square box shouldn't be around the icon. This is still in the insider ring, so it isn't shipping yet. So there's still time to fix little bugs like that. But if I click on this icon now, it will launch me into the Windows Central app on my phone, and I can now use that as I would normally, which is super nice. You can also pin those to the start menu, which I can do here. So if we scroll down, right click, pin to start, we will now see that same app in the start menu here, and if I click on that, that will take me back to the window as you would expect. And I can also, of course, pin things to the favorites area inside the Your Phone app. So if I want to pin, say, Bitmoji, why not? Dominoes, add to favorites, Microsoft Edge, why not? Facebook, you can do that, and so these will stay at the top all the time for you to get access to quickly, which is super nice as well. As of right now, it only works with one app at a time, but Microsoft says later this year you'll be able to run multiple apps at the same time, which is super nice. So regarding the app windows themselves, you can manipulate them freely, you can move them around the screen and stuff, but you can't resize them, not really. You can't resize them horizontally or vertically anyway. If you tried to do that, it would just snap back because the app needs to conform to your phone's screen. You can make it bigger, so if I drag by the corners here, you'll see it does resize that way, but I cannot manipulate its width or height. So keep that in mind. So I tried to snap it. You can sort of do it, but the window sort of bugs out a little bit here. Again, this is still in the insider ring, so it's not shipping yet, so there's still time for them to improve it. But that's how it works as of right now. You can even search for apps up here, which is super nice. But yeah, this is a super cool idea. It still needs a bit of polish. For example, pinned apps don't actually open in their pinned icon. They open under the Your Phone app still. But, you know, that's an easy fix, I think. Microsoft should be able to provide updates that improve this experience over time. But yeah, this is a very sort of quick look at the new apps feature in Your Phone. Again, exclusive to Samsung devices at this time. Hopefully it comes to other devices in the future, but as of right now, this will only work if you're using a Samsung phone like I am here. But there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.